This 67-year-old Jamaican entrepreneur went from selling his products at local markets to building a £30 million business, Reggae Sauce. Levi Roots moved to South London, Brixton in the 1970s and began making his signature jerk BBQ sauce in his kitchen. He sold his sauce at local markets and the Notting Hill Carnival. In 2007, Levi appeared on Dragon's Den with a guitar and a reggae song about his sauce. He convinced Peter Jones and Richard Farley to invest £50,000 in return for 40% of his company. At the time, he had only sold £4,000 worth of bottles. The deal brokered on Dragon's Den helped land the sauce in 600 Sainsbury's stores. Within 6 weeks, Reggae had outsold Heinz ketchup. Reggae sauces are now stocked in all the major UK supermarkets, and Roots has expanded his range to cover chilled ready meals, pasties, and even Caribbean-flavored soft drinks, taking his worth to an estimated £30 million according to the Sunday Times Rich List. Peter Jones describes the deal as one of his best investments ever to come from the show.